Hey everybody. So today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade DIY restoration tugging device that works pretty well. What you're going to need is $20 worth of materials found at your local Walmart, which is where I found all the stuff that I use to make this device. So how this device works is you have a knee strap here that's elastic, and you wear this strap around your knee, and that connects to the device. And what you do is you place your head in the cone, you roll your skin over, and then you lock your skin in between the bell and the cone under tension. And so that's going to give you the tugging tension needed to tug or to restore. Let's get started. Let me show you how to make this step by step. There you have it, guys, the homemade DIY restoration tugging device. If you have any more questions on how to make this device, I've included a full-length video in the description box below. It shows me making this device from the start to the very end and showing every step along the way on video. And I've also included an on-person demonstration of how this device is worn and how it works. And you could find that link in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. And I really appreciate you guys following along. And I hope you guys learned something new today. And happy restoring. For more information on restoring, you could visit our website via the link posted in the description box below. At our website, you could find more informational posts and updates. Hope to see you over there soon.